Welcome to the Ford Protect Premium Maintenance Plan informational video. This video will provide you information about Ford Protect Premium Maintenance Plan. You will be told about the extent of the cover, the key benefits to the customer, vehicle eligibility, and the flexibility of the various options available to the customer. Let's begin with what is covered by the Ford Protect Premium Maintenance Plan. The Premium Maintenance Plan is a 3-in-1 product that covers more than 6,000 components. This plan offers coverage such as scheduled services, wear and tear components, and mechanical and electrical coverage. Components covered by scheduled services include air filters, pollen filters, fuel filters, spark plugs, fluids, coolant, belts as per the service schedule, tensioners, and drive pulley, and amp gearbox lubricants. Wear and tear components that require periodic attention due to normal wear and tear replacement include the battery, which is limited to 1, brake pads and linings, front and rear, engine belts, wiper blades, clutch, shock absorbers and/or struts, engine coolant hoses, and brake discs and drums. Mechanical and electrical components consists of 1,000 plus components such as engine, transmission, emissions, braking system, front and rear suspension, rear front wheel drive axle, air conditioning and heating, high-tech technology, audio, safety, steering components, and electrical. Ford customers enjoy many benefits when they purchase a Ford Protect Premium Maintenance Plan. Customers benefit from knowing the policy is 100% backed by Ford Motor Company, and they have the convenience of being able to use their preferred Ford authorized dealership. Ford customers are secure in the knowledge that the services are carried out by Ford trained technicians who fit only Ford approved parts. Out-of-pocket expenses are limited because scheduled services, wear and tear components, and mechanical and electrical components are covered under the plan. And finally, should they sell their Ford before the maintenance contract ends, the benefits are transferred to the next owner. The Ford Protect Premium Maintenance Plan is available for both new and used vehicles, depending on the vehicle age, mileage, and service history. Terms and conditions apply. Premium maintenance plans begin from the original warranty start date. Used pre-owned maintenance plans begin from the current odometer reading and date of sale of this plan. The Ford Protect Premium Maintenance Plan options. There are various plan options available based on mileage and terms suitable for the customer. Customers can find the plan that is right for them. So what did we cover in this video? We explained the extent of the cover provided by the Ford Protect Maintenance Plan and the key benefits to the customer. We also explained that Ford Protect Premium Maintenance Plan offers various options of months and kilometers tailored to suit customers' needs. Thank you for your attention.